Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we talk all things finance and investing. Today, we're going to answer a very important question that I'm sure many of you have been wondering about. How much money do you need to save for retirement and when should you start? Before we dive in, make sure to click the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. It really helps boost this video in the algorithm. Now to answer this question, we'll need to first make some assumptions about your desired retirement lifestyle, how long you plan to live in retirement, and the rate of return on your investments. So, let's get started. Let's assume that you want to retire at age 65 and maintain a lifestyle that requires $50,000 per year in retirement income, adjusted for inflation. Let's also assume that you plan to live for 20 years in retirement and that your investments will earn an average annual return of 7%. Age, 25. Starting at age 25, you have 40 years to save for retirement. To accumulate enough savings to generate $50,000 per year in retirement income for 20 years, you would need to save approximately $2,100 per month. Now, I know that saving $2,100 per month may sound like a lot, especially if you're just starting out in your career. However, the power of compound interest is on your side. When you start saving early, your investments have more time to grow and compound, which means you'll need to save less overall to reach your retirement goals. Age, 35. Starting at age 35, you have 30 years to save for retirement. This is because you have 10 fewer years to save and compound your returns. As you can see, the amount you need to save each month doubles from $2,100 to $4,200 when you wait until age 35 to start saving. To accumulate enough savings to generate $50,000 per year in retirement income for 20 years, you would need to save approximately $4,200 per month. Age, 45. Starting at age 45, you have 20 years to save for retirement. To accumulate enough savings to generate $50,000 per year in retirement income for 20 years, you would need to save approximately $9,500 per month. At age 45, you're halfway to retirement and only have 20 years left to save. As a result, you'll need to save almost 4 times as much as you would if you started at age 25. Age, 55. Starting at age 55, you have 10 years to save for retirement. To accumulate enough savings to generate $50,000 per year in retirement for 20 years, you would need to save approximately $25,000 per month. At age 55, you're approaching retirement age and have only 10 years left to save. This means you'll need to save over 10 times as much as you would if you started at age 25. Now, I know that these calculations may seem daunting, especially if you're starting later in life. But the important thing to remember is that it's never too late to start saving for retirement. Even if you're in your 50s or 60s, you can still make a significant impact on your retirement savings by increasing your contributions and making smart investment choices. However, it's important to note that these calculations are based on our assumptions and may not be appropriate for everyone. Your retirement income needs may be higher or lower than $50,000 per year, and your investment returns may be higher or lower than 7%. Additionally, unexpected events such as market downturns or personal emergencies can impact your ability to save for retirement. So, what can you do to ensure you're on track for a comfortable retirement? A factor to consider is the type of retirement accounts you use to save for retirement. One option is a 401k plan, which is a tax-advantaged employer-sponsored retirement plan. Contributions to a 401k plan are deducted from your paycheck before taxes, reducing your taxable income and allowing you to save more for retirement. Additionally, many employers offer matching contributions, which can help boost your savings even more. Another option is an individual retirement account, IRA, which is a tax-advantaged account that you can open on your own. There are 2 types of IRAs, traditional and Roth. With a traditional IRA, your contributions are tax-deductible, and your investments grow tax-deferred until you withdraw the money in retirement. With a Roth IRA, your contributions are made with after-tax dollars, but your investments grow tax-free, and withdrawals in retirement are also tax-free. It's important to understand the different features and benefits of each type of retirement account and to choose the one that best suits your needs and goals. In addition to retirement accounts, there are other investment options you can consider to help grow your savings, such as stocks and real estate. However, it's important to remember that these types of investments come with more risk and volatility than retirement accounts. Do your research and consult with a financial advisor before making investment decisions. Finally, it's worth noting that while saving for retirement is important, it's also important to enjoy your life and not sacrifice your present happiness for a future goal. Finding a balance between saving for retirement and living in the moment can lead to a more fulfilling and enjoyable life. In conclusion, saving for retirement is crucial to ensure a comfortable and secure future. Starting early and regularly contributing to a retirement account can help you reach your retirement goals, while also taking advantage of tax benefits and potential employer matching contributions. Make sure to consider your individual retirement income needs, investment preferences, and determine the best saving strategy for you. I hope you found this video entertaining and learned something new. If so, kindly click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to tell your friends about the video so they can find out how to prepare for retirement too. Additionally, let us know in the comments below if you have started to save for retirement yet. If yes, what is your favorite saving method? Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, why don't you check out the video we made on dividend investing? See you in the next video.